Hey there, I'm Cowboy Cattleman Cowboy Caleb from Sandbaggy. Woo! Sandbaggy extra large burlap bags are the largest burlap bags on the market. 3 feet wide, 4 feet tall. Wow, this thing's big! They're constructed from tough industrial grade burlap fiber. Sandbaggy burlap is a natural, eco-friendly product with no synthetic materials such as plastic. They're grown from jute and woven on industrial grade looms. Hey, what's a jute?
It's grown from the ground. It's a plant.
It's grown from the ground. It's a plant. This is great for protecting plants from harsh weather. You're safe now. It's also great for animal feed. Moo! Now these are the normal burlap bags you folks are buying, which aren't too great for sack racing for adults like me. But these are huge. I finally have a chance at winning this year's adult sack race. Let's go, Sandbaggy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm down. Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company trusted by landscapers, homeowners, government agencies, and farmers across this great country. And I'm proud to be an American. God bless the USA.